This is part 2 of our documentary, and this is me going through the snow. Well, you can't really see me because I'm filming. But yeah, I'm going to go get my car. The trees are now up. Oh, the poor red tree today started chopping. It went down. Oh, and so did that tree over there. Holy crap. No more big trees. And this is the big hole I was talking about. Let's see if I can survive. 1 big step, 2 big steps, 3 big steps, 4, 5 big steps, 6 big steps, 7 big steps more. Don't tell me the mailman came, because that's funny. No mail. No mail from the mailman. Right over there, you see that tree? It fell. And the sky's gloomy, and I'm out here. Because my phone died. Ugh, trees falling. This is where I had to get my car because, you know, it's buried. The snow kind of melted off of it. It's bad before. The thing is getting to it. Oh dear. Okay, see, this is what I talked about, the branches falling on friend's room. Right over there. Can't really see because the camera doesn't zoom in that much. And this is me going into the snow. 1 big step, 2 big steps. Now you can see my image. Oh, I am a French person. And to unlock the car. Snow. This is me in my car. I will give more details to you later.